Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Let's get started. Let me write in my Discord. Finishing touches. There we go, and let's find a game to give away as well. 31. Oh, Jurassic Park. Can it stop that? There we go. Hello, Imperial. How are you doing? Second. Things are good. A little bit wait. Go. Think you came too early? No. I'm just trying to start the giveaway. There we go. Doing great. Yeah, I'm just a little bit. I haven't slept well the last week, so I'm not feeling amazing. Glad that you are doing well as well. I'm just opening a few things here. You'll get and feel amazing soon. I hope so too. Here and then here. Okay. So we've been working on the journal, fixing a lot of things, but I think most of the pin stuff, there was an issue, are fixed. So yeah. So now we're gonna fix a few GUI things, which will be interesting, but I think it's gonna be fairly easy to do. Let me also rotate my AC a little bit so it doesn't blow on me. I'll be right back. All right. And then I need to charge my phone. Struggles are real. Okay. Now it should be good. So many things to do. Okay. Yeah, so we have a few UI things that we need to fix, like the journal being a bit. This one doesn't have a canvas. We need to go to the game scene because I think I duplicated the pop-up canvas. So canvas here has sort order 8. Should probably have sort order 1. And let's go to the space game and do the same with the canvas here. The journal canvas 1. Go back to start and then we play and see how it looks. Now when I go into the menu, the pin is still over. But why? So the pop-up canvas is 12. The journal canvas is 1. to have any more canvases. The journal itself shouldn't have one. But the settings menu has one, right? The settings menu has its own. Sorting order, settings menu, or sorting layer settings menu. So when we go back and look at it here, settings menu, we don't see that here. Because it's inheriting from another canvas, so that doesn't work. Okay. That's good to know. Then we cannot put a special layout or sorting layer on this. Put this as 15. It should be like on top of everything, I feel like. Go here, this one works, right? Yeah. And now it works nicely. Good. Famous Anthony Gaudi, I don't know. Football club was founded in November. Birmingham. Is it Barcelona? Yep. Always Barcelona. I don't know, typical square. Isn't that also like London? Not enough points. No. Well, that seems to work. It's a country medal. It's playing twice. I don't like that. We need to fix that. Country worked well. Let's do flags. Nice. Or two, and then we do capitals. Capital is working. Let's do states. 5 states. Florida, Alaska, Texas, and California. It is. New York, Chicago, Miami, San Francisco is the one above. I always forget about them or like mix them up. Can I practice this and will it work nicely if I do? New York, Miami, San Francisco, Chicago, and Los Angeles. Good. Oh, now I'm getting right. I need to turn off that one because this wasn't practice. Now it's practice, I think. Hello, Harish. How are you doing? Let's see if I can practice again. Good. Continue. China provinces, 5 provinces. I don't know these. Shandong. Oh, I thought. Oh, when you're wrong on one, then it's. So that bug is something I need to fix. I'm not sure where to look though. Which is a bit annoying. I'm not logged in. Why are all of these? Unlock all Dry Saga. Oh, that's why, probably. Yeah, that's why. I was thinking there was an error or a bug somewhere, but there wasn't. Let's do China provinces again. I need to figure out pick. Is that using pick country and then we treat them as countries? I think we are. We do this. It still works. Okay, so it's not pick country. Metal session. Pick country, pick count. Enable country mark, hide country, parallel. I'm attaching the debugger, so it's lagging a little bit. What's the running parallel? Large boss country question action. Large boss country. This one. Yeah, it's using pick country. So that's why it's. Let's stop it there on is correct, and I'm gonna hit the wrong one. That's Guangdong. Okay, and that's Sichuan. No, that's Sichuan. That's Zhejiang. Okay, so okay, that's another bug. Repeat, practice, miss target. I really should stop debugging because that's probably why. But the console pro here, Log types, disable log util. No, I just want to disable all of these. And I'll just add the ones I need. I don't think I need any right now. Let's see if we can attach. Doesn't seem like it. It's the same on countries. I can just do Europe 5 countries. Now I'm gonna do Italy. Yeah, it's triggering a random position now. That's so annoying. Stop playing. We change that and then we wait for it to initialize. Then I'm gonna recompile and see if that works. I'm actually gonna wait a little to see if we manage to attach it. I doubt we are. So the best way is probably to just restart both. Stop this. Close rider. This one is not working at all now. And yeah, okay, this. But I'm gonna kill Unity editor. Then I'll post-processing process, killing it. Nice. That's good. A double click here. No, wait for it to load. And then we try attaching it again. Now we attach. Now it's supposed to be attached. Let's make her do it. Make it recompile. I'll leave it here for a little bit to see if we manage. I'll just, I don't know what to do. If we don't manage to attach it, because then I can't debug what's going on. I mean, I can add debug logs, but that's not gonna make anything. Well, it's a slow way to do it, I guess. Then we stop here, and then this gonna work immediately. Relatively fast, yeah. Mm. Oh, I could recompile this time. Can we play? Yeah. But will it trigger? It does. Nice. Okay, now we're in. That's a lot of checks on is correct. So France, now we should do this. On pin drop in pin placing state. We should get in here. Now we're gonna get to is correct again. We could probably save it in a variable instead, but it's correct. Where is this one coming from? Check answer and pick country. It's probably here. Since it's wrong, the correct here is France. That is correct. Answer is Germany. So I would wrong animation. We have correct France, and this it could be in here. Animation without revealing the answer. Remove alternative on wrong answer. Isn't this the wrong? Because remove alternative on wrong answer. Yeah, shouldn't we remove the correct one since we failed the correct one? So let me actually check the history here. Um, Git show history. Journal. There. Should not be here either. Reset wrong country, wrong region. Game frozen, incorrect answer into repeat. Okay, I'm gonna. That shouldn't do anything. Okay, get show history for selection. This was really long time since this was changed. Could it be if we go back here? Is this the one that might have changed it? I'm gonna blur again. Get show history for selection. That's also really 2 years ago. Also 2 years ago. Okay, let's see here. Show history for selection. Has been there since beginning of this year though. But that's just sending in pin drop. Pin answer. There's a wrong animation here. This feels wrong. Animated cleared. Why would we animate the wrong country to, or unless somewhere along the way when you before, like really just sent the wrong values in when it failed. Like animation, like here there would be no. Because if you have, let's say you have France, UK, and Germany, and if you take Germany and put it on France, then Germany should be the one disappearing, right? If I do this, and now with France, I put it on Germany. Now France is gone. What do we have France again? Why do I have France? Oh, because this is in repeat mode. Or practice mode. So then we don't go to wrong animation. Why not? Yeah, we'll get there. Wrong animation without revealing answer. This one shouldn't remove. It should be this one, region pop animation. Medal-like session, but this should only be. Using custom quiz for this? We'll repeat this. We're not. Does not reveal correct or wrong answer. No, but we have removed alternative. I can't find where we're setting this. Multi-attempt session directory. Is it this? No. True. No. What? Remove. Remove alternative on wrong answer. Remove alternative on correct answer. Remove alternative on wrong answer. Remove correct. Correct on wrong. Is that how it should be? Like, it's like a maze. Or this one. This is long count. Remove alternative on wrong. Being set here. It's true here as well. Can also do this. I think just a new session action. Hello, Mist. How are you doing? Congrats on being first. How is life down there in your soon-to-be new home? Rough. Cold really bites in the wind. Doing well though. Nice. Glad to hear. How was your weekend? It was. So I've been sleeping really badly the last week. I'm just kind of Recu PL. Thank you very much for the follow. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Just the last week I've been feel like worse and worse sleep for no reason at all that I know, and it made me a bit irritable, which I very very rarely am. Well, pretty much never. I think I've ever been irritable, or as irritable as I was this weekend. So I do not know what happened. Okay, so animator cleared this callback. Wait, is this it? Oh yeah, this is false, right? Yeah, it's false. Sorry, Terry, bad sleep is worst. I've been finding myself surprisingly easy to sleep down here. Well, I guess the colder, if it's a bit colder, then that usually helps with sleep. That also might be a thing that it's warm here now and I'm sleeping bad because it's warm. I think due to the layout of this apartment, I think I need some kind of fan to blow air into my bedroom to get some kind of circulation. I think that might be one of the reasons. So I might get one of those really silent like bathroom fans to pull air in, because there is this ventilation thing on the wall, so I could hopefully use that and just make it like a better, give it better circulation in general. Monster animation complete. What does this one do? Just a random. This initialized on more places. It is. Cleanup doesn't do anything good. Flow and the handle flow was correct. Question. Okay, so big region has handle flow. Are we getting in here? That would be weird. I'm starting to think that the bug I'm chasing is because like I think someone is smoking outside again. This one shouldn't hide it. So let's go to our practice. This be better, like we do this. Thought I did move alternative on. Was this not it? No, because that's not where we're. We're not creating a. To create session there. We should probably do an init though. So let's see where we're coming from. Unless we aren't. Are we doing? Oh, are we doing this one? Is good. No. Then we should take this create session that we have, and we should grab it and remove this. It's coming from pin placing state, so I don't know where we're starting this. Because it doesn't seem like practice session. It's actually being used. Let's go to Europe 5 countries. Here we go. Press practice. Let's see if that's any different. No. Metal launcher. Launch metal balls. Get in here, right? Yes. Now we're in metal launch C. Metal session directory. Launch common. Get here. This see is practice is true. We are good. We know we're practice at least. Populate questions. Show what is show score bar. Populate questions. Just adds all the questions. Yeah, this one seems okay. We should be getting in here. What do we do? Boss file location and boss country. Practice medal. What was it called? Practice session directory. Let's see if we get in there. Let's just continue here. Let's retry. I don't think we do get into the practice session at any time of this, do we? No, we don't. This one should go in here. So why wouldn't it create a boss C? Which is middle boss C? Which is referenced up here. So I do not know. I don't think I've changed anything with how this behavior should work, which makes it weird. Let's just enable it so it's a normal medal. Because I feel like it's treating it as a normal medal. Well, it is. Now at least. Initialize all of this. Germany is if I go France. Now it did that. But in this case, it should be correct country. Let's try that. What do we do with practice in this? Is practice metal mode show pop-up is the difference and update metal complete? Could it be that this or should equal to 1? Map input type active. Public active UI. Good to know UI type. Yeah. Where is this is it's giving me an error right here. Just do this, right? No? Oh, we need a pin type. Could it be that? Revel collect, correct? Wait, that also, we need this. Do this right now. Yeah. False, false. Just setting it to what they get in. Same here, I assume. No, that's just false, so that's good to core. True, true. Okay. This could be it, because it could have taken another path. Or not, yeah. Split in another path due to it not being correct. Yeah, that's how it should be. Yes, okay, now it's correct. But you can still choose them here, so that I don't think, not 100% correct, but it's getting closer. So we've been going for an hour. I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'm gonna take a small break here. I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes. See you all soon. Oh, we're back. After the first break, I like doing the daily Akari. So that's what I'm gonna do. Daily Akari. Today is Monday, and it's a very easy one. We'll see how easy it is. People said they like this one. 40 seconds, 50, 40, 40. Do, 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 do. There we go. We did it in 22 seconds. Just had to be fast and click all of it. Yeah, this was an easy one. It was just, there was no real logic to it. Well, there was logic to it, but no need to think a lot. You just find the threes where you can place 3 of these. And then that kind of opens up everything else. When all the threes you can place. There we have a 2. This is what stumped me for like a second or two, because there's a 1, so you gotta place 1 there. So this is the real only logic, or where you have to think a little bit, put it there. But it was nice. That's a good puzzle. Really good for new players, I would say. One sec, right into colleague. Try again to play now. Now, if we actually turn this off, go to countries, your 5 countries is going to be practice now. We do this, then it's going to show the wrong answer, or the answer Sweden, yeah. But now it's practice going to show again, good. If I miss again, then it's still going to be like this, yeah. Here we have them, Italy and United Kingdom. And let's do it, enable all memory medals, and then we do it again. Because now we can do, if we do Germany, it's going to show the wrong one, or the right one, and disable that. And now I have Germany here still. Let's do this. Okay, Italy. That's going to give us this. So here is one problem as well. When I do the wrong, here I can also place them anywhere. Yeah, okay. So this multi-pin or text pin is something I need to fix. So let's go to text pins. Need to know when we set pin type to text pin. Place counters and place locations. Is there any other, like there could be one more? No. Of course not. Place counters here. Set this. And since we set it to text multi-pin, initialize position pin, spine touches, on end drag. I think this might be, let's put a breakpoint here actually. The last selected pin might be, or it might not get to put pin back. That might be an issue. Let's see if we do the same. You 5 countries. Yeah, it doesn't come to put pin back. But if we do pick pin, can we trigger this? Yes, that triggers. And where we can drag text multi-pin, text pin, yeah. So here we do pick pin and to drag on drag end. Is inside toolbox. If it's not inside toolbox, we hide a pin and listen to on pin dropped, which is null here. So if we go to multi-pin, on pin dropped, no. So when is this set? And pin placing state. So I assume we're not here. We do get here. But if we get there, why is on pin drop null? And why do we get in there so many times? Okay, so here on pin dropped is null, pin is not null. Okay, so we get exit. Why? With what? Pick country placing state. Oh. So this one hooks up to these. Okay. So we kind of need to between pin placing state and this, we need to do some no, we have a pin placing. Yeah, this is pick country states. We do a pin state, pin placing state placing. So we should then get in here again. But then we also exit again. Let's go to general pin world map. Because begin drag is happening more than once. Now we're going there. Okay, so let's do just begin drag. Do this. How many times do I get in there? Only once. If I do this now, twice. Okay. So that means we're here. Oh, because this never due to how we do this. Okay, I think I found one issue, and let's do this. What is the pin here? It's text pin C. Let's see if it happens now again, or if that fixed it. I'm gonna pull this. It was here, and now we do begin drag. It's only gonna happen once. Yeah. It also only happens once. Nice. But the problem is the pick country states and place country states. I want begin drag. Well, yeah, we need to hook. But why is on begin drag? Because on begin drag action is not gonna, that would be like we need a drag action, not just on begin drag. So this is kind of on region pin pick. It's a hack. Got it. So this sets the question of pick country when you pick the pin. Then we go to pick country placing state. That's the pin's placing state. And this one is pre-enter. Select region. But then it's just pin placing state. So this one should be able to hook up the pin on pin dropped unless yeah, that should hook up here on pin dropped. So I don't understand. Let's restart. That is correct, rip. Then we go here. Now this is what I don't. We pick it because we're coming from place counters on region. Then we exit. Go here with search state. That's when we do the exit. But then we should do an enter right after. And get all of this. Yes. But then we get to exit again. Because why? Because for some reason we're switching to there goes the play state, enter. Then we go to play state again. Because we're coming from here. Is that because oh, let's see. Hello, 8th Gada. And this time we're coming from animate state in place. We dropped. Now we're coming from journal pin wall drag. Okay, I have an idea. Place counter states. I think this is messing with it. It's on region pin pick is not used now. So this, okay, so we kind of need this. But oh, we should do this maybe. We get this back. But we shouldn't switch state there. I think that's the problem because our states are switching other places. Let's try again. I need to figure out the bug where if you debug and just release the pin, then it's gone. Not sure what that is about. I only got in there once. Didn't I remove this? Come on. Good, now there's only one, but since we are in the country placing state, pin placing state, it shouldn't switch from there. Okay. Do this again. And drop. Correct. Can't do that. Coming from sort anim state. Check answer. Okay, let's see. Is country selected? Yes. Check answer. Intention false. Anim state. Evil answer. Check answer. Right, so this is skipping the whole. We're going straight for on pin drop. Now we're in here. Pin back. Ah, found it. You should also probably do else if pin unlock flag. Active pin UI. Should probably have put pin back, yes. So we could actually do pin active pin UI, put pin back in this. That's a lot cleaner, I think. Now we put the pin back, nice. It's pin back, nice. Still selected, oh, that's a bug. But now it's also put back. So when it's correct, it shouldn't be put back. Correct answer. Yeah. Correct, put pin back. Should not if okay. So this is different. It should be if pin active pin UI is text pin is not text pin. Text multipin. Because if it's correct, we put pin. We should kind of maybe try put pin back, because if it's there, but if it's incorrect, yeah, here it is. Because this put pin back and this, they are not the same. All is answer. So then it should be true, false. If is answer and else pin act. If it's not an answer, then we should just put it back. Because that's done, yeah. True. 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 Mm-mm. Nice, that works. Okay. Why did this not work? I thought this would be an answer. Oh, right. Because we need it like this. should be removed. Or maybe we should do it differently. Maybe we should do it like this. Yeah, let's see. Italy. It's still showing. Why? That's why. Mm. Now it gets in there good. That should be gone. Now if I miss this, it should go back. Same here, yeah. And if I fail this, it's gonna do this. Should it go back if it's wrong? Else if... But this is also depending on if it's practice or not. We don't know. Do we? If you're wrong. Wait, if you're wrong. It should go back so we can actually answer again. And we should also hide the card here. Go to pin placing states. Let's do this. I want to see where it's coming from. Can't do that. There we go. Place countries coming. Oh, we don't know that from this, right? Do we know that from question settings? Is no. Well, these are question settings. Um, but when it launches this, somehow it knows to because it's setting in settings, but it's just frame settings. Yeah, so let's put a breakpoint here. And this. Let's be wrong on these. Okay, now where are we coming from? Launch, there, session executor, show journal transition, complete. And this one is coming from so many places. Is there a way to keep the call stack? Because now we're using delay action, and then using unit thread or unit task. Sure, if there is a way. I guess we gotta do this, and I mean the text practice mode comes up. Here, this. Here. Right, so this is where we repeat space regions, I assume it is. Launch medal repeat. Okay, it creates a custom session. Journal style default. Load journal, journal style. Hello, Watershine. Hope you're doing well. Can we also do case? No, we don't actually know what it is then, I guess, with the text. I also wonder, we're always setting a default here, are we? Or do we not? Journal style. Let's go here. Actually using multi-pin, are we? Multi-pin infinite, yeah, here in session builder in it. The journal style or journal. Let's try this. Let's not show it there. Just because this shouldn't even exist, I think. Kind of want to remove this. Uh, General input type, that's mine, yes, cool. Gonna be wrong. Wrong again. Let's see. I repeat. Plays regions action. What is the input type here? World map, of course it is. That's gonna be the show. Hello, Raymond. How are you doing today? Nice to see you. In that case, place regions action. It's world map, but this should also be set pin type working on a break right now. Nice. Yeah, I'm working too. With pin type action, text pin. I'm fixing bugs with the new system or the reworked system. But I'm feeling anxious today. But wait for vacation, huh? I don't know what it's why. It feels like it's something else. Oh, that's so much better. Now it worked. Uh, Hello, Pika Pika. How are you doing? There's some time of work. Yeah, it would be nice, but it's also I don't feel like it's required, you know? Coding and watching a stream, nice. I am also coding and watching my stream, kind of. Almost. So a few smaller issues left now, but now I think I fixed this big issue. At the card. So we were in a place where right here, place regions action. This should hide the card, hide card action. Good question. It's gone, nice. Now this works as it should. Good. Okay, so the smaller things I can fix later. In which other cases do I have for text pins? I think I fixed that issue now. Repeat practice miss as well. The GUI layers of menus and questions and stuff. Yes, I fixed that too. So what I've left is to log in and play multiplayer. We have that on, good. Then we just start a game. Press the button. Oh, I don't have any logs on for this. Where was it? Multiplayer session. Let's remove the journal. A lot of work. It's funny to watch functionalities. Yeah, there is a lot of things to do. Let's see what the journal hide. Okay. The journal in this case, journal directory would never, I assume I never set it then. Journal directory instance. Okay, let's try it again. Making a game is a lot of work. So right, multiplayer. Let's go into this game again. Shooting category, next. Skip button is not showing for some reason. What's the first Burger King restaurant opened? Good question, but I don't see any. So when we start this, we need to do journal, set show first, and then we need to journal world map input. The pin type, single pin. So now we'll have the single pin. Journal hide. What does that actually do? Does it hide the whole journal, or does it hides the active input? Which should, yeah, it should be the world map that slides this out, yes. Okay, now I have a skip button that works. I have the pin. First Burger King restaurant opened. 1953, I don't know. America. It was. Let's do travel. Isn't that like, what am I colliding with here? Is it the card? It's the card. Is it a touch area? Like, why is it that? It should be like this, right? Yeah. But it's still down here. Why is this? Does the image have like raycast padding? No. What this changes with this? That's the meaning it's going to full. Oh, come on. So it should have been like 750. Is that if we go to card parent background bar? Oh, right. We're using special cards for this. Was it multiplayer session? Cards. No, that's these cards. We have the text card. Where is it? And the score bar, card parent. Let's remove that. We're probably going to get an error here somewhere at the scorecard parent. Scorecard parent. Those two. Let's not remove them like this. Let's move them down and put them like here and remove the serialized field. And we can set these, I think, in the here. Journal, get card. Image text card. Now we have those set instead. What is the parent for? Scorecard parent? Not actually using it. What's the pin rapid is pin UI? I'm not using that either. So then I could remove that also. Densely popular area demolished by authorities due to problem with threats and heavy crime. I have no idea. Mexico? Hong Kong, okay. But the skip button is there, just not showing for some reason, which is weird. The Gutenberg, Bold. This. And then like Denmark. Oh, was very close. Waiting for the opponent. Not showing the back button. So we're having some. No, that's not. Yeah. It's clear. That is kind of works. That was wrong. But why? Oh, apparently we. Is this a. Let's see, a bot. Mm, I don't know. Oh, I should not have player. Do locally. Colorado Springs. Now. That's kind of nice. Having a proper bot to play against. I mean, I made a bot that's local, but this is very nice to what's the Magna Carta signed by King John? But they still have this issue where we cannot, like when we navigate like this, we should stop the oh, I was going to like London, but it's not. Or not. Hmm. Okay, it doesn't. It stopped working. Stopped working. I think good can't last forever. Yeah. So when does this happen and why does it happen? I'll get in here. Nice one missed. Perfect. Wow. Uh, okay, it could be some state issues here. Is it that the bot? Let's go game data, states. Current player answers. Game data. Current player answers count is less than category index and or See what the states are. Gotta get back in here. Now we should. Still getting the error. Why? Count. This would be 9, and category index is 9. Oh, and. It should not be or, it should be. Oh, what? Glad I found a bug in it. Apparently it tried to set the longitude to minus 182, and longitude can only be between minus 180 and 180. So good testing. But we've been going for 2 hours and 20 minutes. So I'm gonna take a small break here. And I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes. Testing is always good. Yeah, it's a bot. So it's the first iteration and it's on the dev branch. So it's all good. Yeah, I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes. All right, we're back. So let's do a travel. Relax a little. Luxembourg to North Macedonia. The fastest way we gotta do. What is the fastest way? I was going to like Germany, Poland, and around there, but yeah, wouldn't it be like Romania, Ukraine, Poland, Germany? From the other way around, yeah. Because I don't feel like there's another way you can go. No, there isn't, I think. If so, we'll see. What is it? Germany, Poland. Bulgaria. Was there? No, there's. Oh yeah, this was faster. Dang. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I should have gone. I was thinking Austria, Hungary, but I didn't think Serbia was. I was thinking it's the same distance by going like Austria, Hungary, and then Romania, Bulgaria. But I totally forgot about Serbia going all the way down. I thought that was kind of. I wasn't bordering North Macedonia. I thought I bordered Bulgaria. Okay, apparently the bug should be fixed now. Give it a try. This one I cannot do anything with, so let's play as bot again. America's evening cyber Victoria. I don't know where Victoria is. All right, that's next to Vancouver. Hope you're doing well, Cyber Angel. That, but I didn't. That was off. And that here somewhere. Nature. What is making the move? Birdie Bird is making the move. That's not correct. So this one can't be like this. Well, how about you? I'm a bit anxious today. No idea why. Kind of the feeling when you've had too much coffee and you're anxious, but you don't know why. But I haven't had too much coffee. Okay, so now we need to fix the journal. Timer and hide. A question, then we should show it, yes. Let's state we hide. So we hide the journal. That's gonna hide our active input. And active input is set from the show. Or set active input, yeah, in show. Hide it again. Why doesn't it hide here? This. Let's hide it from the start. And then we'll see, we'll have to go through when it's being hidden and when it's shown. There's a bit different things we gotta look into here. We might have to change the behavior a little bit. So here we hide it. Now it's not showing, good. So it is easy. So when we place this down, we kind of want it to be now it's showing. It should be hiding. So now as well. So why does it not do that? Is it because I have some like this is showing thing? Probably because it's showing as false. No, it's true. Okay. Then we should slide it out. Get in there, yeah. Okay, now it disappeared. Weird. Now it should show. Hide, hide. Show. There was Bobby Kennedy. Sounds American. Nature. Oh. Right. That's something I should change. Effective input is not none and not null. And it's not the same. We should do this. If on, we should do on complete. If active input is input type, then we just run the on-complete if we have it and then go. Show, hide, hide, hide. That's not correct. Where was the second hide coming from? We do a show from awake, then we do a hide in awake, and then we do another. Oh yeah, this. Then we do this hide, yeah. Showing is true. So then we do another hide. Pin enter. Pin nav state enter. Why would? Oh yeah. We shouldn't use the. I also realized that if we don't disable navigation, we do this, but we don't. So shouldn't this just be this? But this input, why would you hide this? Interactive is disabling the raycaster, yes. Show, hide. Good, now it's one of each. So then we need to go to here again, and what is the player turn? State action. Current play to answer. Journal, show. Show, right. I'm not doing. Why did it not do a show here? We do a show there. Why is it not player answer question? Do I get in here? It crashes here. Why? No, it doesn't. Okay. Journal show. Oh, because now it's world map. Now we're not showing this. It'll do active input show, I guess. Because we do the same with hide, I assume. We just hide it, which is fine. Now I think it should work. There, here. Oh, that's ship. Align format to adjoining volcanoes. Isn't that like out here somewhere? Nope. It's Lake Nicaragua. The main habitat of the Goliath frog. World's largest living frog weighing more than 3 kilos. Oh, that's a big frog. Africa. Poltava. That's Ukraine. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to play against bots. You were born in Poltava? Ilif. That looks Mediterranean or Asian. In the region? Nice. It's region center. Cool. Okay, so multiplayer is working again now. There's a few issues with it, like the back button and skip button not showing properly for some reason sometimes. Also cannot scroll properly due to the card is also not in the perfect position. So when we do, well, it's going up when we try to scroll, so that's fine. We cannot scroll over this one when we're above on this, so I'm trying to think in nav state. Do we know if, like, if you do map, is not sure if this was a thing before, but it is a thing now. I do not know when we start the rotation. We'll scroll somewhere. Scroll, geo scroll. Globe input. Update scroll is doing geo scroll. Do we have any speed, current rotation, velocity? We can check that. Nav config. Rotate around. So update scroll, does that mean it's in fixed updates? We don't know. How do we actually update these values? Like current rotation, this one. It's zoom in. How are you doing, Dram? If this is 0, let's do a public. Let's do this. Public bool is rotating globe is mav abs float epsilon. Doing good. Added some small improvements to the feedback website. Forgot about them. Nice. It's the rotating globe. Nav state to enter and exit. We don't have updates for these. I mean, this is just listening to events. Enter and exit. Okay, so let's make an event with this. Wherever that was, globe input is rotating. Public event action is globe rotating. Shabool. Did I call it that? Touching globe? That's not what I called. Here's a globe rotating. Yes, yeah. This is not good though. To invoke this every frame. Because of how it works with events and stuff creating garbage. But I guess it's fine for now to see if this works. Now, where is this? It's globe rotating, globe input. Is the game directory globe instance globe input? Yes. Okay. Is globe rotating? Rotating. It's rotating. We should also do this before I forget. But the raycast doesn't matter. We need to set a pin. So the set, yeah, the raycast there doesn't care, apparently. Let's see if we can see. Let's go to journal. On this, we have the graphic raycaster. Doesn't update this one at least. Let's do conditional. That one is not triggering. It's rotating. It's not. A conditional breakpoint. What? Why? Rotable velocity. Actually, just larger than 0.01 f. What this should be. I think. Also math, abs. There's not actually. Speed x abs speed x larger than 0 or math Abs speed y lower than 0. Still to evaluate what? What's wrong with this? Is this not being used at all for a scroll? I don't think it is. How am I scrolling? See if we can get an angle that's larger than 0. Okay, this we get. Where are we coming from? Check user interaction. Okay, so this is where we rotate. Yeah, internal. This. Let's see if this works. Oh, then this should be on the map now, right? It's globe, yeah. Same down here, right? If this works. Oh, okay. So that's what I want. Okay, it works. Um, I want to check or FF abs X. Is there any way to make there a way to make it globe not generate any garbage? Grabbing. Okay, good. Play bot. So when this hoping that this would be enough. Like it seems to work from right to left. Like when I do like up here this way, it works. Or at least on the right side of it. But going up this way does not work at all. Like when you go into the left, yeah, I guess that doesn't work. Let's lower this so my time doesn't run out. I was hoping that using the graphic raycaster like this, that I could, that would be enough, but no. Then I gotta do another test. What is the world map? I gotta go look at the globe, world map globe, and see what it has for Like this should. If we edit this, several award globe, which is a bit annoying. But none of them have any like I drag. So how are they handling input for spinning or rotating? I'm just taking the mouse. Drag threshold. How many cameras start dragging? Can orbit, presume. Allow use rotation. Does it do a... Why does it stop then during... Wait, did I still have that one in? Then that could have been a problem. There is fine, which is weird. No, because the hitbox is not there. Where is the hitbox of it? It should be there, but it's... And now it's off the journal. And then that one is not the issue. If we do... Just do this. If we do this now... There's still a problem there. So... If I hide the whole journal... There's still something there in the way. Okay, so it's not the journal itself. Good to know. Is there some leftover? Part or something? Or journal? Didn't I remove it from the session? Need to figure this out. So let's go journal. That is my journal. Okay, journal. Which journal is it? It's also mine. Is there something that has a collision here? Like the waiting for opponent? No. That doesn't actually affect it. I think the timer, because I'm using. Yeah, it doesn't. It's not this game, minigame. This. Not this. So what else could it be? Not the effects. There's colliding with something. And I want to know what it is. With the world map globe. Did this. Let's hide this as well. Is it the pop-up canvas? No, it's the journal canvas. Journal? Yeah, there is something in the journal that does it. I don't think it's the pin C, but let's. Nope. Now we disable the pin parent. And now it works. So the inside wrapper. Sort. Nope. So it's a single pin. Didn't I do this before? That is the pin itself, this one. So something with the single pin, the image. So rushing it, this one. Blocking, what does the. We have no blocking. Oh, we can still grab it, right? Yeah. But everything is blocking. Can still grab it. But I cannot spin. So nothing, and I can spin, but it blocks on that one. If I set everything here, why? Okay, now I can rotate. So we can't do anything with that because if we turn it off, it doesn't change a thing. Yeah, it does. Okay. I'm not having it on. So why is this interfering with VPM internal? Yeah, VPM input. Because we are coming from here. But the drag sample direction is not. So we don't get in here when we collide with it. And we're doing mouse drag start minus mouse position for the input. So why would anything change? Because it's hitting something on the screen when we're using the mouse position. Now let's start dragging. Started mouse dragging, can orbit. Do we get in here? Don't, because we get in here, right? We do. This is not our mode, so it doesn't get in there. Get in there, we spin around. When rotating the globe in Check user interaction normal mode. Works well until I move the mouse over an image that's under a canvas and has a graphics raycaster. When I'm there over the image, it stops rotating. Why? Grab this. Mouse over UL set to true when the pointer is of UL. The mouse is false. Mouse over UL element. What? Mouse is over UI element. Okay, that makes sense. But why? I remember doing something with this. Check history for selection. I thought I added this, but I just changed it. Clean it up a little. Rexin TC, thank you very much for the follow. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I could add pin here. If it doesn't and I mean hit collider name contains pin. Hit collider name. So this. Also here, check pointer of UI. Could be here as well. Current ignored finger IDs. Pointer over game object. Oh, that's a finger ID, right? Respect other UI. Still here. Do we get in here maybe? We do, okay. So this is being triggered all the time? No, it's just there, okay. Mm. Mm. Yeah, let's comment this out and see if it works. Nice. Now this works. Now this feels good. Now it feels as it should. I can see, okay. This. So the problem is we move one for one frame with it. But if we don't have it, annoying song. Okay, so that's the probably need this. We just don't need this because we need this to be removed as well. I think. Hello, Darwin. Someone is cooking. That's what's. I'm not sure if it's good. That smells like onions. It's so weird. Lately, I've been smelling people cooking and stuff. Okay, so do I actually need this for it to work? Or is this something else that I've just caused? Like if I go back to the other world collider. Hope you're doing well, Darwin. Well, now I'm returning. Well, that shouldn't. Oh, that's a big issue. We shouldn't return there because we have a return there. That might be the whole issue. Let me comment this out. You good? Nice. Since we're returning there, we're not flipping through all of the inputs or something. Yeah. Found all Lithuanians are audiophiles. I don't think everyone is. Now this works nicely. If I take this and put it back, we cannot do anything. So is that a problem with this? Not. I doubt it's because of this. It's more likely that I don't handle putting it back in the toolbox properly. But you never know. Do this. Yeah, now it's still the same issue. So, okay. I'm gonna comment this out. All good studio speakers for 300 sold out everywhere. Well, that could just be because of what is it called? Delivery issues. Sometimes they just don't get delivered. Sometimes one type of product is sold out because also if you want good studio speakers, they're probably, I mean, good studio speakers, they're probably a bit more than 300. Okay. And spending 1K? No. I get that. Pika Pika, thank you very much for the follow. I appreciate it. So the problem is in here when we go back. We have the pin nav state shop pin UI. What state is this? Pin nav state. So listener on pin pick. So when we create this in here, send this. Then we have the listener that's on pin pick. On pin enter toolbox. Oh, go to nav state. On cancel drop is not used. Well, let's see if this does anything. BLT. Nope, because we're not getting there, are we? No, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, we made it. This, no, it doesn't trigger. So we switch state on pin pick to pin placing state on pin dropped, but we don't do world map pin on cancelled. On cancel drop, whereas lost focus is a cancel drop. World map input pin on cancel drop. Would it be placing? Oh yeah, it's doing placing cancel drop there. Yeah, true. Yes, now it works. We can pick it, we can place it back, and now we can move. And we can move over this and over here. Woo! Nice. Okay. Let's do the giveaway. See who the winner is gonna be. 4 people today. I'm not gonna switch music. I'm kind of tired, so let's spin. We got Raymond, Cyber Angel, Mist, and Ottershine. So let's spin, and then we press the button to stop it. Let's see who's gonna be. It's gonna be Mist, no, Cyber Angel, Raymond, Ottershine. It's starting to slow down now, I think. No, not yet. Now it should start slowing down. Gonna pause the Mist, it's gonna go to Cyber Angel, it's gonna pause Cyber Angel, or is it gonna stop? It paused Cyber Angel to Raymond. Congratulations, Raymond. You are winner. Congratulations. Stage all of those. Are you still present, Raymond? We'll see. On stage chat, on stage this. Debug we don't need. Raymond, are you alive? Where was it? Multiplayer. Journal. Time manager did it. Oh, accidentally. Did I? Oh, okay, good. Let's do this, Raymond. Ping. To give him one last chance, I'm gonna give you 40 seconds to claim your prize, and then we're gonna spin again. Last call for Raymond. Five seconds. Then we start another spin with Mist, Cyber Angel, and Ottershine. And we'll stop it. See who the winner is gonna be. Starting to slow down. Oh, it's on Cyber Angel. It's gonna pause Cyber Angel again. Unlucky Cyber Angel. Congratulations, Ottershine. You are the new winner. Yes, cool. So one thing about this, I'm not sure if the DLC is included in this. If it's not, tell me. Was off. Aw, I'm sorry. Ottershine is our winner today. But yeah, Ottershine, I'm not sure if the DLC is included in that. If it's not, ping me and I will look up what the key for the DLC is. All right. I think that's going to be it for today. Let's see if we can find someone to raid. A lot of interesting people are online now. Let's head over to... Have a wonderful day, Raymond, and everyone. Let's go to... who are we going to? I don't know. It's Oik. Yeah, let's go to Oik. Right, it's Oik. He's working on a game jam game. Have a wonderful day, Ottershine, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. But yeah, Ottershine, if there is no DLC included in that key, please ping me so we can get that fixed. Yeah, I'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a lovely day, and let's head over to Oik and see what he's up to. Bye bye.